Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to get 100 followers or too many followers to get to read your stories. So the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your web portal or platform. And if you do not have already an account, just sign up with your Google or Facebook account. And then you will uh, be redirected to this homepage. So basically, to have followers, you will need people to click on your post and then click on follow, so they will follow you. So basically, we will be needing to write some publications or stories. So we need to click on the right button and go here in the title and start having some good context. So basically, we need to have a topic to talk about. For example, here, how to get 100 followers. We will start to do something first, for example, or step one. You can start formatting your text, having a subtitle. You can start having, you need to have like an attractive and well explained and well written publication or story. So you need to have some illustration. You can add images here by clicking on the plus sign. You can add some add an embed to have more explanation. Also, you will need to have good content in your writing, so you will need to have some basic good writing skills. After that, you will need to publish your application, not application, but your stories, and then you will need to have like a story preview so to attract more people. And of course, you will need to be consistent in posting your stories, and then you will publish now, add topics so can people uh, search for the topics where people are more interested in. For example, even for example, philosophy, there are 136k people that are interested in philosophy. So you will need to add some good tags so that people or many people get uh, to see your stories, and if they like them, they will follow you, and with that way, you will get too many followers. So basically, this is the way to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.